we are going to develop a program which aims to upscaling the seaweed cultivation, specifically in offshore regions.
Seaweeds are amongst the most efficient biomass producers in the world. We already use them for food and for fertilizers, but the possibilities are virtually endless. We can use them for cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and much more. But where do we grow them? All we need is the space. If we look offshore, between each wind turbine there are about 5 football pitches of empty space, which we can use to grow our seaweeds.
But upscaling the seaweed cultivation and taking this industry, this emerging industry, to offshore regions has its specific challenges. During our presentation and discussion panels in the workshop, we will talk about the challenges that we will face with in the case of structural and environmental safety. We will talk about the solutions that we have for upscaling seaweed cultivation, and the other part will be about the environmental safety concerns.
Come and meet us at the SeaTech Week from 15 to 17 October in Brest. An international event you can't miss.